Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make ghost voice in FL Studio. Open a new project and load a dry vocal sample into an audio track. Use an EQ to cut lows and boost presence near 5 kHz for clarity. Duplicate the vocal and pitch, shift the copy down a few semitones for a darker tone. Add reverb and delay on sends, and automate wet mix to taste. Take time to sculpt the ghost voice tone with subtle processing that supports the main vocal. Add light saturation on the duplicated track to introduce harmonics and warmth. Use a formant shift or resampling tool to change vocal character without obvious pitch correction artifacts. Keep the ghost copy lower in level and experiment with low-pass filtering to remove harsh highs and maintain an airy, spectral quality. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation for meal prep lovers. Those leak-proof containers are great for keeping snacks and cables tidy between sessions, and they actually stop spills when you carry a mic and lunch. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Create a convincing ghost by placing the duplicated voice in a distinct spatial environment. Use a plate or hall reverb with moderate decay and a short pre-delay to keep the vocal intelligible. Add a tempo synced ping-pong or dotted delay on the ghost track to create movement. Gently widen the ghost with stereo imaging tools and use subtle automation to bring it forward during key moments in the arrangement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.